Before I hand over to one of our amazing clients and my co-founder, Mikhail, I want to spend a few minutes talking about our mission at Chattermill, which is to help companies grow through amazing customer experience, and specifically, experience-led growth, or XLG, which is the name of the summit. In fact, what is XLG? Now, as some background, when we started Chattermill, we thought the best way to help companies improve their customer experience was to build an awesome AI-powered platform to help analyze customer feedback. What we soon found out is that wasn't quite enough. You can throw customer feedback at the best technology or the best AI, and that only gets you so far. In order to show real impact and actually measurable, tangible impact, your insights program, your customer voice of the customer program needs to have scale, it needs to have rigor, and maybe most importantly, and what's very hard, is it needs to show return on investment, the dreaded ROI. And this is where experience-led growth framework came from. So first of all, what it does, it breaks down how customer experience and customer insights connects to business outcomes. In fact, where does the growth come from? So there's 5 key pillars. First of all, it's customer awareness and word of mouth. That's an amazing acquisition channel, and if you can leverage that, it does wonders for your cost of customer acquisition. Secondly, it's conversion rates, it's acquisition and conversion rates. This is very important. Another one, loyalty and retention. I think that's a key one, especially in today's economy, where customer, I think, only amazing and differentiated customer experience drives this. Expansion. And finally, cost to serve. So these are the key pillars through which customer experience can impact your bottom line. In other words, this is what your CFO would like to see. Now, easy enough. However, it's actually very hard to do this, to put this into practice, because you've got data, we've got probably too much data, and it's all over the place. You've got different teams, different priorities, and understanding what you should focus on, what part of customer experience you should focus on, what insights you should react to, what insights you should ignore, it's actually very, very hard at scale. So the second part of XLG is use cases and a framework which covers everything from how you collect data, how you analyze that data, how you distribute and share insights for your organization, how you take action and who to send the insights to take action, and finally, how to measure impact, how to actually show the results of this in action. So you can think of experience-led growth as one of the pillars of experience-led growth is a collection of use cases and specifications which get you from customer feedback to outcomes to money. Now, we made it our mission to help more companies, or to get more companies to adopt experience-led growth. And one of the clients that we had the amazing opportunity to work with was the energy company E.ON. And with energy space, it's interesting because you've got energy, and differentiation is not easy because, well, everybody sells energy or energy solutions. Prices are capped by government regulations. So one of the key levers you have to differentiate, acquire and retain customers is customer experience. So I had a massive pleasure to work with the E.ON team very closely over the last couple of years and see this in action, see this actual XLG framework scale from, I think, a very ambitious and bold idea into something that is being adopted by thousands of people, thousands of users at E.ON. So, share more about this journey and how this came into practice. I'll welcome Abdul Khalid, Director of Transformation. Yeah, please join me in welcoming Abdul to the stage.